tradisional
or modern ya.
Fishing technique from confusion to clarity, like listen to or explain.
Nowadays, many people engage various activities, one of which is fishing. Various methods are used either traditionally or modernly. So, we will explore this difference on Creators Tip.
Today, we will interview and find out the impact of the difference between these two fishing techniques. So, enjoy video guys!
Okay guys, so we finally meet the fisherman in Sindang Biru who study in Universitas Brawijaya. So before we going to interview him, let him introduce himself.
Yes, in here I am with fisherman in Sindang Biru, but he is studying in University Brawijaya. Before we interview, so introduce yourself. What's your name?
Nama saya Wawan dari Sindang Biru.
So the first question I wanna ask you about the impact of water on traditional and modern anglers.
Pengaruh cuaca bagi nelayan yaitu untuk nelayan tradisional sangat mempengaruhi karena gelombang dan juga arus yang besar sehingga menyulitkan nelayan dalam menangkap ikan dan mempengaruhi hasil tangkapan.
The second question is what the difference in terms of income between fishing traditional and modern fishing.
Jadi untuk pendapatan pada nelayan modern dan nelayan tradisional biasanya mendapatkan pendapatan yang tidak terlalu banyak karena nelayan tradisional biasanya menangkap di sekitar pesisir atau nggak sampai ke tengah laut. Kalau untuk nelayan modern biasanya menggunakan alat yang canggih dan besar, biasanya menangkap pada daerah laut lepas sehingga pendapatan pada nelayan modern lebih banyak.
The last question is from the traditional and modern fishing to industrial sector. In the future, which will be more effective?
Dinilai dari efektivitas dari nelayan tradisional dan nelayan modern. Nelayan tradisional hasilnya tidak stabil, tergantung cuaca seperti tadi. Jadi untuk pemain nelayan modern lebih efektif untuk kegiatan industri yang berkelanjutan di masa depan.
Okay guys, so based the interview with fishermen in Sindang Biru, we can conclude that traditional fishing is more environmentally friendly. Why? Because it uses simple equipment and preserves marine ecosystem. But it lacks the capacity to store catches. Modern fishing, on the other hand, can increase productivity because it uses advanced technology.
From the result of the interview that have been conducted, it can be concluded that the Sindang Biru area is more efficiency using modern fishing.
Okay guys, based on journal, emerging trend in information technology with reference to fisheries and aquaculture modern fishing has more types such as using IoT or smart sensor, electronic monitoring and robotics, so that it produces abundant fish.
The modern fishing that my friends mentioned before is that modern fishing is the more effective than traditional fishing in every aspect like catch and self-power.
Okay guys, thank you for watching and listening our vlog.